Hey guys, Czar here, back with you, watching the Dow. Look at this thing. This is the Zone Buster candle. There's a video beside this one where I just nailed 60 points. It seems like nothing at this point. A nice 2-hour win. I'm going to delete this now. But now watching this thing on the backside and see if we're going to get any kind of a setup here. Let me, let's watch this on the 1 minute. Watching Sisters Grid, faltering. All right, guys, NASDAQ, sell stop. Right here below this candle right now, live. Risking 30 NASDAQ points. This is a 1-to-1 trade for me. 1-to-1 trade only. Here we go. And in, guys, in. Short the NASDAQ. Bear with me for one moment. Just gonna check my own. Targeting 175.50. Okay, good. Short the NASDAQ. Got two trades today. One loser, -1R before the New York Open. It was actually very much in the UK session. And then a 2R winner. Just the video beside this one. Both of those were long Dow. Now short the NASDAQ, and here's why. Big sell-off, tapping in here, pulling back up. Let me show you the Sisters Grid. Impulse down, corrective up, rounding over. Impulse down, giant correction up, and then in the S&P, and tapping and rejecting at VWAP, and a big rally. This is the one I participated in here for 60 points, and now beginning to round over at an extended 2.5 standard deviations. Of course, we've been there for several candles here on the 1 minute chart. So this thing's getting a little long in the tooth. It doesn't mean that it's going to stop going up, but we'll see. I'll put you on pause for now. Alright guys, bringing you back. I actually like the way this is looking for a bigger move, so I'm actually going to extend this out to 2R. Ultimate target will be 2R. Manage this thing along the way. We'll talk about the various management systems, the models. Oops, undo, there we go. So I am in the NASDAQ, I'm short. And back on pause for now. Driving down a little bit now. Keep our eyes on this. I am watching the three sisters always on a separate monitor. I'll take you over there in a moment. Let me just get these targets in so you can see what I'm thinking. It's target 3. So target 1 is 1R. Target 2 is at 1.5R. Target 3 is 2R. This is just for me for this particular trade. Those values can be different depending on what the setup looks like. Sisters Grid, very quickly, rounding and failing here structure-wise. Rounding and failing on the S&P, and then rounding and failing at an extended position on the Dow, having taken advantage of that long move, or that long trade. Not for the entire long move, unfortunately, but got a good 60 points out of it. More importantly, 2R, and that was the extent of my my trade target. And back on pause. And driving down. Target 1 is hit, guys. Target 1 is hit. So the 1R all or nothing trader is done with this trade fully profitable. The target 2 all or nothing trader is seeking another little push here. Nvidia announced earnings last night. There was a big spike up, and it looks like some of this is being given back. There we go. Target 2 is hit at 1.5R. Target 2 all or nothing trader is now fully out of this trade, and they're done for the trade. Target 1 is out, fully profitable. Target 2 is out, fully profitable. Scale out traders have scaled out at target 1 and scaled out some more at target 2. Seeking target 3 for a potentially final scale out. In terms of managing stops, many traders would have moved their stop to break even when price hit 1R or 150. Other traders will leave the stop exactly where it is and never move for the life of the trade. Others will advance beyond break even. So they might move to break even when price hits 1R and then move to half of 1R or even 1R when 1.5R is hit. Hopefully that makes sense. I've talked about this in the last 2 or 3 or 4 videos as well. There's a full video explaining all of this profit taking and stop losses right there on YouTube as well. I encourage you to watch that. So this is a case, guys, of selling the weakest of the 3 sisters. See that? The weakest of the 3 sisters after a pullback. A very constructive pullback to VWAP and rounding on the S&P helped to bolster the thinking on this one. And the same kind of collapse on Dow after being very extended. Just really ripe for a pullback. And that's in fact exactly what happened. You see it there. One more big push here for 2R. And we're done, guys. Thanks for being with me. That's 60 NASDAQ points. Last trade was 60 Dow points. So this is a bigger point gain. But 2R, all model traders profited fully on this one. Whether you're a 1R all or nothing, 2R all or nothing, or 150R all or nothing, full profits. Scaled out traders profited fully according to their model as well. Thanks for being with me. Have an amazing day. And we will talk soon. Take care, guys.